This snuff, I need to take this snuff. Hey! You go on. In Sebudi. I don't come. I go take this money now. This way is where they pay me. And this boy for this village, don't help any old man. I go take this money. Which kind of wahala? Take this money. I stand here for many 30 minutes. I never see any small boy. Oh God. I need your help. Help me and pick this money. I want to go and buy snuff.
50 naira. 50 naira. Hey, hungry style. Papa, thank you.
Cool.
Problem has been settled.
A child can only play with his mother's breast. He can never play with his father or Jolokojo. We shall see. John, see you can chop my money. John.
Papa, I beg, see your money.
You can chop my money.
Hey, carry play. Carry play.
Hey, stubborn fly.
Papa, beg now. See your money.
Hey, stubborn fly.
Hey.
Follow him, go to this grave.
Hey!